Hello there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we are getting ready for week 10, which is called More Types of Governments and October Fun. So we'll have a little end of October fun and learn some more about the different types of governments. As we get started, I just want to make sure everyone is taking the time several times a week to go into look under your grades, click on your grades button here, and open up your gradebook. This is just an example one. And a couple of weeks ago, I put out a video on how to read through your gradebook. Make sure you've watched that and you understand. If you don't know what all of these things in the gradebook are for and mean and stuff, you really need to go and watch that video from a couple of weeks back. I can send it to you also, but you really need to see that. But in your gradebook has all the assignments, your grade, whether you've turned it in or not, and my feedback. And also you can see if you have a 0 on an assignment, you were supposed to turn it in but you haven't yet, there's nothing turned in. That's an assignment you should go back and complete. You won't get 100% on it because it's late, but that's fine. Some credit is better than no credit. So anyways, you should be going in and looking at your gradebook a couple of times a week. And if you have any questions, then reach out to me. We can talk about on Wednesday, office hours, 11 to noon, of course, or and we have those all middle school Wednesday meetings as well, all that good stuff. But anyways, going into week 10, and also just the other thing is, please make sure you're accessing the work each week through these folders here, the actual Unit 2 and weekly folders. This is convenient over here to click on the individual assignments if you're going back to it, but generally it's better to go in this way. Make sure you get all of the content, all of the readings, all the videos and everything. Oh, by the way, we do have a couple of extra credit things which you should take a look at. Week 10, you'll go through more types of government. You have 2 discussion boards. First one is more about the content, what type of government do your parents run, and kind of fun, but also you kind of have to think about it a little bit as well. And then this end October assignment looks like a Halloween assignment. It is for everyone, so even if you don't believe in, celebrate, or do anything for Halloween, this is for everyone. Read through the directions and you'll see it is actually for everyone. Okay? So it's pretty light work week. So going back through your grade book and seeing you have anything missing that you need to go back and do, you should do that. We don't have a weekly quiz this week, so don't worry about that. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. Hopefully see you on Wednesday. Take care.